Again, the question is with respect to updating stakeholder register. When shall I update the stakeholder register?
Anytime. So what are the options? Anytime. So you might see in a lot of input output processes. You see that update stakeholder is an output, or update project document is an output. So what is a stakeholder register is a project document, and many processes of planning and executing, and even I would say the controlling will generate an output, update stakeholder register. So whenever you discover something new, you can update the stakeholder register.
Okay.
But having said that, if you are looking at the question, and some indication is coming that this question is becoming initiating process group process, then you need to find out some of the activities, because initiating process groups are the more one which work on stakeholder register a lot. So since like in a initiating process group process, you have identified stakeholder as a process, and you identify the stakeholders there. Now, when you move from one phase to another phase, you do identify stakeholder again. And since the stakeholder register already in existence, you update the stakeholder again. So I am making two statements. In general, you can update the stakeholder register anytime as you discover something new, because it's a project document. That's one thing. Second, the initiating process group process, which happens in general at the beginning of each phase, which is called identify stakeholder, is the one primarily deals with stakeholder register. So if we get an option in our answers where we see something related to identify stakeholder, that is the most appropriate one. That we need to pick that, because it is something always is about stakeholder register. If that doesn't exist, then we need to see it can get updated anywhere.
So if the question says that for example, the list of stakeholders or the engagement level of the stakeholders needs to be updated. So stakeholder management plan should be updated or stakeholder register should be updated.
So engagement level see, the register is only the assessment level, but the stakeholder management plan is something which talks about what is a current engagement level of a stakeholder, what is a desired engagement level of a stakeholder, and what we should do in order to take the stakeholder from current to desired one. So it's more about an engagement plan totality, that how are we going to take the stakeholder engagement forward.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.